These monsoon storms have been really elusive. When they hit, it's just these small little pockets around Tucson here and there and nothing.
And that's kind of the nature of the monsoon as
Yeah.
well. And we'll go through summers where these storms will end up favoring, say, the northwest side versus the southeast side.
Yeah.
That's just the nature of the randomness that is our summer storm
We
season.
love our lightning shows though when we get them.
We
as long
do.
as they're from a distance.
And we're going to let this Skynet cam, Sean, breathe out a little bit here. This is from Mount Lemmon looking off toward the south. Every now and again, you'll see a flash of lightning from a cluster of thunderstorms south of the border in Mexico. There's one right there. See, as promised. Low 70s atop Mount Lemmon. Elevation of 6,000 feet, likely into the 60s towards Ski Valley and Summerhaven at the higher elevations. But a warm start regardless. 83 at the airport, 84 right here at KVOA. Live look at Doppler radar. One cluster of thunderstorms pushing off toward the north in eastern Pinal County. And another cluster, as mentioned, south of the border. All this activity is lifting up to the north at about 10 miles per hour. Unlikely this makes it into Metro Tucson heading into the morning hours, although I'm not going to rule out a stray storm across the international border stretching from Sierra Vista over to Nogales this morning. High pressure is directly over us. Not a good thing for the monsoon, not a good thing for temperatures, because high pressure compresses the atmosphere. Air molecules get squeezed together. They bounce off one another. That creates friction. Friction creates heat, and our highs today likely breaking records. 112 in the forecast. 3 better or worse, depending on your perspective, than the record set back in 1987. We'll tie a record high heading into Wednesday before we start to see a little bit of relief as we head toward the end of the work week and the upcoming weekend. That's when we should start to see more monsoon moisture move in. There is a 10% chance of thunder this afternoon and tonight, but the much bigger weather story is going to be that excessive heat in the forecast. And that excessive heat warning won't expire until 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Thereafter, monsoon moisture ticking up, 20% chance of thunder on Friday, increasing to 30% for the upcoming weekend and early next week, with moisture beginning to return. Temperatures dropping about 10 degrees cooler than what we'll experience this afternoon as we head toward the upcoming weekend.